So this is going to be a honest review of HeyGen. I'm going to tell you the pros and cons in this video. So in case if you don't know what HeyGen is, basically you can make all of these talking AI avatars. You could be using your own photo or maybe an AI generated photo or any photo that you have. You could be making it talk like this. You can do all the lip sync and so on. So at any time during this video, if you want to try this out, you can click the first link in the description and you can follow along the steps. So this is the interface you're going to be getting popped up with. So in the home button over here, you could be getting a lot of features like photo to video, quick avatar video, you can translate a video, you can create your own avatar. So I'm going to be showing you some of the main features which you could be using with HeyGen. So first of all, we have the photo to video with avatar 4, which is like one of the recent features and it has been gaining a lot of popularity. So the process is very easy. You can either upload a photo over here, you can drag and drop as well, or you could be using some of their sample photos. I mean, the sample photos really looks good. And also you can either type in your script, you can upload or record an audio as well. So let's go ahead and maybe take some of the sample photos over here. Maybe let's just take this. So this looks really good. And for the script, let's just go to ChatGPT and I'm going to just copy this. And let's go back and let's paste it over here. Let me just cut this off. So yeah, so I'm in my limit. And I could be choosing my voiceovers also. So from the HeyGen library, you get all of these voices. You can go with any. And you can integrate with third parties like 11 Labs. You can see over here, you just have to paste in your API key and you can confirm because 11 Labs obviously will provide you with better voiceovers. So if you want to do that way, you can input your voice as well. Or you can go with the voice that HeyGen have provided. So let's see this one.
Hey there, here's how I sound, hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Okay, that was good. Maybe let's try
Hey there,
this one.
here's how I sound, hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Alright, so let's
Hey
just see
there,
this
here's
one.
how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to life. Hey there.
So I like this one, so I'm going to go with this. So Adam Stone. So now that we have selected the voiceover, let's just go down and in case if you want to describe the gestures and facial expressions, you could be doing that as well and it's optional. So I'm going to leave it this way. And yes, you could be making it landscape if you want, but the photo is not for that. So I'm going to keep it portrait and let's go ahead and generate the video. So the video has been generated. So let's have a look.
Most people lose the day in the first 30 minutes after waking up. Want to flip that? Start with just 2 minutes of focused breathing and write one goal for today. Small steps compound fast.
So you can see the lip sync is just fantastic and the overall the AI avatar, the lip sync and the script and the voiceover is just perfect and it looks really good. So this is how you could be making all of these avatar 4 videos and it's very easy. You basically upload your photo, you upload your voiceover or maybe a script and then you could be making videos like this. So now if you go back to home, you can see these other features over here. Here you could be creating your own avatar and basically what it means is you will have to upload your own video and you could be making an avatar that's very suitable and you have got a quick tutorial over here and it's very easy and straightforward just like I have shown you in the first thing. And you can also make a quick avatar video that's also very easy. And you'll get a lot of pre-made templates by HeyGen. So you can select any one of them. And if you wanted landscape, you can do the landscape. If you want to fit the screen, you can do that. If you want to fill the screen, you can do that as well. So let's just fit the screen. And if you scroll up, you can see my avatars. In case if you want to choose your avatars that you have created, you can go with that. And after you choose your public avatar, maybe let's just see. Okay, this one looks good. So I'm going to go with this. So you can see that it looks good. And after you have chosen, all you have to do is just add script. And let's just go ahead and go to ChatGPT and just copy this. And let's paste it. And let's just scroll down, and again for the voice you have to choose the voice. So this is the voice that we have now. Let's just hear it.
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it.
So in case if you don't like it, you can go to the HeyGen library, or you could integrate with third party. And maybe let's just go with Andrew over there, and we can go ahead and generate this video. So the video is ready. Let's have a look.
Laziness. It's fear disguised. The fastest hack: break tasks into 5-minute actions. Once you start, momentum takes over. Want my step-by-step focus framework? Drop focus below.
So as you can see, the video is actually really good. But what I would suggest is like adding your own human voice. So a human voice is obviously going to sound way better than the AI voice. And this is actually the AI voice of HeyGen. If you could use the AI voice of 11 Labs, it's going to sound really, really good. But moreover, I would always suggest the human voice over the AI voice. And if you add the lip sync feature and this AI avatar feature of HeyGen, you can be creating fantastic videos. Now let's just go back and let's again go to home, and I just want to show you the other features. So the main features were photo to video and the quick avatar video. So these are the two features most people use, and they also use the create your avatar feature. And you get the translate video feature, in which if you want to translate your original voice, and it can do the lip sync as well for you. And you get this product placement here, in which you can create an ad for your product. So this is again one of the most important features, and again you will have to upgrade this, and I'll talk about the pricing very soon. So UGC videos are getting a lot of traffic, and people are making a lot of money, especially with UGC ads like this. So if you're someone who's looking to do it that way, you can go with that. And you get the batch mode, where you can create multiple avatar videos at once, and also you could be using the face swap. These are just straightforward features. And now let's just go to this avatars over here. And you can see a ton of avatars you could be using. You could be making your digital twin if you want. You can use a single video to create an avatar. Basically, you just have to upload your video and it will create your twin avatar. And here you can make a photo avatar. Here what you have to do is just upload a photo, or you can use the design with AI, in which AI is going to create that avatar. So let's have a look at this. So I'm going to click on new avatar. So I'm going to make it really basic. I'm really not looking to go deep into it. Let's just say a young adult. Gender, let's say it's a woman. Ethnicity, maybe Asian American. So we have described our avatar. Now the orientation, if you want to make it square, landscape, let's keep it portrait. And the pose, let's keep full body. And the style, let's keep it maybe realistic. And let's just generate the preview and just see how our avatar is looking. So these are the avatars HeyGen have created me. And whichever you like, you can just go with that. And if you want to generate again, you can just press on that. And in case if you want to edit the prompt, you can edit it. So suppose, let's say if I liked this one, I can just create it and just go ahead and save it. Now, if you want, you can add a voice. Let's go ahead and add a voice. It's a female, so...
Hey there, here's how I sound. Hope you like it. The right voice brings avatar videos to...
So this one looks good, so I'll go ahead and click next. So that's how you make an AI avatar. And in case if you want to make more variation in these photos, maybe you want her to sit in a private jet or anything like that, you can just give the prompt and you have to go with it. And that way you could be creating more pictures of Emily. Now you have got all of these public avatars, which is already pre-made. And here you get professional. In case if you want a professional avatar, you can go for that. And if you are someone looking for a lifestyle one, again, you could be making lifestyle ones as well. And in case if you want a UGC style or AI generated, you can go with that as well. Maybe let's try one of these UGC ads and let me just show you how the editor works. Maybe let's go ahead and choose this one over here. So once you click on this, you're going to be redirected to the studio over here in which you could be editing. And here again, you could be changing the avatar from the studio also. So if you didn't like her, you can just change it. Or if you want your own avatar to be here, you can just select it and she's going to be shown over here as well. So for now, let's not take her. Maybe let's take some of the public avatars. Let's go to the UGC. And let's go with this one over here. So we have two looks. We are going to keep this one. And this is more like a 16:9. So if you want to do that, you can do that. And you can just write in your script over here. Basically, let's just copy this one. Let's copy and let's go ahead and paste it over here. And here you could be adding more media, you could be adding more elements, and in case if you want a caption, you can do that, and the background also you could be changing. And you could be extending this video, you could be adding more clips to the video. So it's basically very straightforward and easily you can be making a UGC style video. And also you could be selecting your voice that you want. It's in Ivan. I'm going to keep that itself. And let's go ahead and generate and see how this looks. Okay, since this video is taking a lot of time, in the meantime, let's go ahead and let's go to the templates. And let me just show you all the templates you can be making. All these templates are. See,
Good
you can see
afternoon,
this
everyone.
template if you look
I'm
at
thrilled
this.
to have you here as we explore the next generation of skincare. In a world where beauty is personal,
So suppose you have a YouTube channel, or if you're looking to make a sales video on anything, you could be using this avatar over here. And you have a lot of niches. You have the advertisement niche, you have the e-commerce niche, you have the learning and development niche, you have the explainer type video, you have the social media one, you have the business cards one. So you get a lot of templates from HeyGen. And again, you can upload your own media, so you can upload your own avatar as well. And here you have got all these voices for HeyGen. So in case if you're curious about the pricing, you have to just go to upgrade over here and you can see the pricing. So basically you have the creator and the team plan. And in the creator plan, the good thing is that it has got unlimited videos and videos up to 30 minutes, which is good. And 1080p video export, and in case if you want to see it in full, you can press on the see full comparison and you can see that the max duration per video is 3 minutes in the free plan and it's 30 minutes in the creator plan, and it's fast and it's 30 minutes in the team plan as well. So like this you could be making all of your AI avatars. And the free version is going to have the watermark, so it's going to be a disadvantage even though they claim 3 minutes. And they give you access up to 3 videos only. So here you get unlimited videos, here also unlimited videos. So you might have to go to the creator plan if you're really focused on this. So in case if you're using HeyGen, make sure you click the first link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It basically helps me to grow my channel as well. So it would be really helpful. So that's overall it for this video of HeyGen. I really hope you like this video and I'm really hoping to see you on another review video. Take care.
Want more discipline? Stop relying on motivation. It's fleeting. Instead, create systems. For me, it's journaling every night. No excuses. What's one system you can start today? Comment system and I'll share mine.